Disaster preparedness. Objectives. Number 1. Identify common natural disasters, where disasters have occurred. Number 2. Describe the appropriate preparedness measures for each type of disaster. Number 3. Demonstrate basic safety actions during emergencies. Disaster charades. One student comes to the front and picks a disaster card, or you assign one. Without talking, they act out the disaster. The class guesses what it is. You can give clues like, it's wet or it shakes. Tsunami. A powerful tsunami is a giant sea wave caused by underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. It moves rapidly across the ocean and becomes extremely destructive when it reaches land, causing massive flooding, property damage, and loss of life in coastal areas. Stay in a safe room away from windows. Avoid going outside unless absolutely necessary. Prepare a go bag. Include water, canned food, flashlight, batteries, whistle, and first aid kit. Tune into radio for updates and follow the authorities' evacuation and safety announcements. Earthquake. An earthquake is the shaking of the ground caused by the sudden movement of rocks beneath the Earth's surface. Earth's outer layer is made of huge pieces called tectonic plates. These plates move slowly and sometimes slide against each other, which causes earthquakes. When an earthquake is happening, do the drop, cover, and hold on. Broken glass can cause serious injuries. Move away from cabinets, mirrors, and anything that can fall. Know where the safe spots are at home and school. Practice with your family or classmates. Flooding. A flood is a natural disaster that occurs when water covers land that is usually dry. This can happen slowly over time or very quickly, depending on the cause. In the Pakistan, floods are common, especially during the rainy season. Evacuate early. If authorities say you need to leave, do it right away to stay safe. Move school supplies, appliances, and documents to higher places to protect them. Help clear garbage from canals, gutters, and road drainage before heavy rain to prevent clogging. Fire. A fire is the rapid burning of materials that gives off heat, smoke, and light. While fire can be useful for cooking, it becomes dangerous when it is uncontrolled. Fires can spread quickly and destroy homes, schools, buildings, and even entire neighborhoods. Always know the fastest and safest way out of your home or school in case of a fire. Learn how to use a fire extinguisher. Ask an adult to teach you the pass method in extinguishing fire. If your clothes catch fire, don't run or panic. Do the stop, drop, and roll to put the flames out. Let's wrap up. Remember these key points. Know the signs and causes of each disaster. Always follow safety tips like drop, cover, and hold, or stop, drop, and roll. Work with your family to make an emergency plan and prepare a go bag. Never be afraid to ask questions or practice drills. The more you prepare, the safer you'll be. Group task. Number 1. Work in groups to create your own disaster safety guide. Number 2. Form a group. Each group will focus on one type of disaster. Number 3. Draw and label your plan or kit. Include pictures, symbols, and labels. Make it creative. Thank you and always be safe.
Subscribe my channel Smart Time 24.